In this video, I'm reviewing this head mount that I bought off Amazon for $10. We're going to be taking a ride in the SRT in the nighttime and in the daytime so we can get some good footage. If everything goes good with the head mount, I'm going to be having some POV content coming soon. Like cruising down Lakeshore Drive, cutting up with other Hemis. I'll have a homie with the Insta360 and we're going to do some clips going down the highway. All right, so this is the test. This is a Chrysler 300. Everything swapped from 2023 last call. I'm gonna do a pull for y'all, so let's see. It doesn't sound like extremely loud. It sounds good. I mean, it's just the stock scat exhaust. Everything's stock on this. I had this car for 5 months and just kept it stock. Everything's been running well. You know, give this shit a little pull right here. Yeah, so we here, bro, already. All right, bet. So, fuck it. I'm gonna turn this shit off real quick. You can see the lights right there. I installed those. I can put the link in the description if y'all want them, let me know. But I'm gonna put gas in this bitch and I'll be right back. Everything's warmed up, we ready to go. All right, we're good. That's a Dodge, that's a Ram. Give it that little pull right there. We're just gonna go around the neighborhood.
I'm at anybody. Anyway you wanted to go, nigga. Yeah.
What is this? So my review of the nighttime, I say it came out pretty good. I felt like I could see pretty well, and it didn't really like bounce around that much. It bounced around a little bit, but like not that much where it was like fucking up the video. But I should have changed the angle. The daytime I fixed the angle so y'all could get a better view, and I got a few clips of that. I'm about to go back to the house and check them out, see how they came out. We're out here in traffic, you know, I feel like the lighting's pretty good. In the daytime, it's just cold as fuck out here, 25 degrees, bro. Clips came out pretty good. You know, I'm satisfied with the purchase. It was only $10, so I mean, you can't really beat it if you have a phone and you don't want to buy a GoPro or whatever. I mean, $10 is great. You can make any type of videos with this.